Here's our top 6 healthy food that Nutritionist recommends. 1. Salmon, for it is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. 2. Kale, one of the most nutrient-dense leafy greens, best eaten raw. 3. Garlic, as it is both tasty and highly nutritious, plus, it contains bioactive compounds that fights disease. 4. Avocado are high in monounsaturated oleic acid, which helps reduce the risk of coronary heart disease. 5. Dark chocolate and cocoa are very high in minerals and antioxidants. It helps to boost our moods. 6. Eggs, as they are a very good source of high-quality protein, and the egg yolk is where almost all of the nutrients are found. Find the freshest produce at your nearest grocer today.